Hello teacher, my name is Phạm Minh Vàng and my student code is B1A0A5A6. Today I will present my research proposal. My research topic is the ability to recognize the meaning of the idiom of final year EFL learners on Hòa An campus. So I decided my proposal into four parts. First one, rationale. The second one, literature review. The third one, research aims and questions. And the last one, methodology. So, rationale. When learning English, people must confront a variety of tactics in order to become fluent. According to Kenyal and Swan, 1980, grammar, social linguistic competence, discourse competence, and strategy competence are the four basic components of communicative competence. In fact, when we become master of these competences, sometimes we can misunderstand communication with native speakers or others because they often use a group of words that are called idioms in conversation. By extension, idiomatic competence, as described by Lantas, 1999, is the ability to grasp and apply idioms appropriately and accurately in a variety of social cultural contexts, in a manner similar to native speaker and with a least amount of mental effort. This study includes EFL learners who are seniors at university. I want to conduct this study to discover the ability of them to deal with idioms because they have for a long time acquired the techniques to analyze discourse to get the meaning. Literature review. Literature review includes a definition of the idiom, related study, problem statement, and purpose of the study. The research aims and questions. Research aims are for a final year student. I want to know the ability to understand the meaning of idioms of them. My research question is, do final year's EFL students have an impressive ability to recognize the meaning of idioms? So, the methodology. First one, research design. The research is a qualitative study. A test was used to collect data. I utilized descriptive to analyze the data. The participants were required to express their responses to 10 idioms, seeking their ability to understand the meaning of the idioms. Next, participants. The participants of the study were 32 undergraduate EFL students who were majoring in English language at Caltech University. Next, data collection instrument. 10 idioms were chosen to collect data. The participants were to complete their understanding of all idioms. So, data collection procedure. I used Google Form to collect data for the study. Our students who are majoring in English language at Caltech University were given the link to the test. Before finishing the exam, they were required to read the consent form and express their approval by ticking the box that said, I agree to participate in the study. They were also assured that their responses would be kept private. The exam instructions were provided, and participants were expected to read them in order to properly complete the test. And the research procedure. The time which 1 to 4, I'm piloting the test. And which 5 to 7, I send the link of the test to participants to complete. Which 8 to 15, I will analyzing the data. So, the intended contribution of the study. First one, to find out the competence of EFL learner to face with idioms. And the second one is the results of the study can provide teachers with information about whether they need to teach idioms to EFL learners or not. And the last one, references. The 9 articles cover the difficulty of idioms. The context influences the ability to guess the meaning of the idioms, and the students who were rated higher can have the ability to understand the meaning of the idiom better. So there was there were published in 2005 to 2021. Yeah, and that's the end of my presentation about research proposal. So thanks for your listening. Goodbye, teacher.